Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send money from Apple Cash to Cash App. So since there is no direct method to transfer funds between App Cash and Cash App because they operate on separate systems, you need to move your money using your linked bank account in order for you to do that. So first you have to open or create an account on Apple Cash. So basically, here, after you have created an account, you can do this using your mobile. So what you're going to do is you need to open the wallet application on your iPhone. Open the wallet app and tap on Apple Cash Card. After that, initiate a transfer. Tap the transfer to bank option right here. You can choose an instant transfer, which might occur, which might incur, or a standard transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. After that, confirm details. Enter the amount you want to transfer and verify your bank account details. Confirm the transfer to move your funds from Apple Cash to your bank account. Now, step two, you need to open your Cash App. So, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. And then, if you haven't set up a bank account in Cash App, follow the prompts to add and verify your bank account. So, you need to link your bank account here. Deposit the tap banking. Select the add cash. Follow the instructions to deposit funds from your bank account into Cash App. So basically, that's it. You just have to simply connect your Apple Cash app to bank account and then link that specific bank account to your Cash app in order for you to send money from Apple Cash to Cash app. By following the steps, you can effectively transfer money from your Apple Cash to Cash app, even though it requires an intermediate step through your bank account. You will be notified with this message, and all you have to do is to accept this money. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.